everyone, this is Karishma again, and you're watching Techno. So, today let's dive into the top technologies you must learn in the year 2023. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and you should stay ahead of the curve to just know what's going on in the tech field. So, let's get started. So, first one we have on the list is AI, which is artificial intelligence. It's revolutionizing industries with machine learning, natural language processor, computer visions, and robots. So next up we have the Internet of Things, which is IoT. It connects physical devices to the internet, enabling data collection and exchange. So the blockchain is taking the spotlight next. Let me tell you, it's a decentralized and transparent ledger technology used to secure transactions and smart contracts. You all know that cybersecurity is most important than ever. With the rising number of cyber threats, learning about network security, encryption, vulnerability assessments, and incident response can help protect organizations from attacks and safeguard sensitive data. Fifth one is edge computing. Edge computing is gaining prominence. It involves processing data at the edge of the network closer to the source. Sixth one, data science and analytics play a crucial role in extracting insights from vast amounts of data. Skills in data analysis, visualization, machine learning, and statistical modeling empower organizations to make data-driven decisions. 7. Augmented reality, which is AR, and virtual reality, you all know VR, are transforming fields like gaming, training, and education. Last but not least, we have 5G technology. Its rollout brings faster speed, lower latency, and increased connectivity. Remember, the technology and its field is moving so far, so you have to stay connected and stay updated what's going on around. And do not forget to consider your interest and choosing your field wisely. Thanks for joining us today. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.